Buddy, today I'm going to show you how to properly do a YouTube introduction. Well, what you need. You need a base product. Everyone wants to know how to do how to build a birdhouse. Transmission in 2004 Ford Focus. Wait, how to plant petunias. I'm going to motivate you to properly take out that silly old trash. Today, I'm going to show you how to tie a knot and cherry stand. People also, me including, have a very short attention span. So, maybe you divert from the path a little bit. Pooping outside makes you a real man. No, it doesn't. I've done it. It makes me feel gross as What the you gonna get at Kmart?
And like they say something Swahili and I'm just like, I want a coffee.
Babe, put that away.
Why'd you clean it with lemon pledge? We clean counters with that. But before you know it, it gets back right on track, right on trackaroon dooney, and then that's how you do it. It's finished. All right. You're probably also wondering why all these videos are being taped in a car. I didn't get evicted. I'm just on the road a lot, and well, I figured this is going to be a fun little side piece that I can do for all you wonderful people out there. So, yeah, I'm bringing it to you on the streets, on the road, going raw, going live. I shouldn't have said raw. I'm not going raw. You gotta pay extra for that. Anyway, stay tuned, I guess. Yeah. It's really fun. Went over a hill. It's really funny.